Hi, I'm Steed. I'm one of Wales' technical support team. Today we're going to show you how to prepare your water system and get it ready for use. First thing we need to do is close our drain valve. The next thing we need to do is open the furthest away hot tap from the water heater. In this case, it's the kitchen sink. Let's get started by turning on the pump. Leave the hot tap open until all air clears from the water heater and the water starts to run smoothly. Let's repeat the same process for each outlet until the water runs smooth. Now the system is primed and you have smooth running water.